In today's video, we are going to be making this yummy goodness. First of all, we are going to be making our granola. Very simple, easy ingredients first, because we are going to be garnishing our yogurt with it. We are going to also be making parfait. So I just measured out 3 cups of rolled oats, a little bit of honey, cinnamon powder, and pinch of salt. Mix that up thoroughly. After mixing, then you add a little bit of vegetable oil and mix again to be well incorporated. Do you know you can have this granola as just like the way you have fruit and fiber? That's a cereal that is for breakfast. You can also toast your granola like this and have it with milk, like cold milk. It also goes very well. So you just line your baking tray with either parchment paper or foil, and then spread it out evenly and bake on low heat, and always keep an eye on it because it doesn't take long to get done at all. So that aside, we'll come back to the granola later on. We're going to proceed to our yogurt. This is Youghurt, the starter, the culture starter for your yogurt. That thing, I bought it for 3,000 naira. I don't know if it's worth the price, or you rather just buy your yogurt, already made yogurt, and make yogurt out of it. That's the more reason why some people feel like, why are you making yogurt with yogurt? But buying starter is also expensive. So what's the point of buying starter 3,000? But you buy 3,000 naira yogurt, for instance, any brand of your choice, at least you get to have a little bit of it before using it for your yogurt. You get? So whichever way you prefer, but I just use this yogurt starter. Then I'm measuring out 3 cups of powdered milk. I'm using lacto-rich milk. If you go to baking stores, they sell milk in bags, so I just bought half a model of the milk, and this is full cream milk. So be careful about the brand of milk you are buying, especially from the baking shops, because there was a milk I bought one time, the oil was a lot. That milk was not good at all. So avoid that kind of milk. So it's better to just go for this lacto, which is very popular and common. You'll get your desired result, or any other brand of milk you like. So I first of all added boiling hot water. The water was boiling on the fire, and I measured out 1 cup. I mixed it with it, and I also measured 1 cup of normal tap water, but I didn't use tap water, I used pure water, normal one, just take one, and measure out 1 cup also and mix. So when that is mixed, you don't need to even wait for any number of minutes for it to cool down or whatever. Just go ahead and dissolve your yogurt starter in a little bowl like this before transferring it to the entire batch of yogurt. So mix that properly and pour it into a very clean bowl with a tight lid. I was trying to be careful. I wanted to just do 2 cups of milk to be safer. Like if it spoil, at least I will not lose too much. So keep on watching to get my raw, unedited review towards the end of this video. So just tie it around like this. So we are trying to create a very warm environment for the yogurt to form. Then go ahead and cover it with a thick towel, and then store it in a warm place. I stored it in my cupboard, one up cupboard like that I hardly go to. I stored it there, And I made this around, was it around 9 or so? I can't remember the time, but I made it in the morning and I came back to it around 4:30 in the evening. So it was about 8 hours in that place where I kept it. And this is what we have. Ooh. Ooh. My yogurt formal. Hey, make yogurt. Can you see that? Wow. 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 Hmm. Becky made yogurt for the first time after this is my 4th trial. Hey, wow, this is creamy. I don't want to make Greek. Maybe the next one I'll make Greek. Before I enjoy this, I'm going to just reduce a little bit. I'll make another batch from this. I'll reserve a little and make another batch of yogurt. God, I'm so happy. This is good. This is good. Now to our granola. This is what we have. Very crunchy, very tasty as well. And perfect consistency, perfect crispness. What I love about that yogurt, it didn't have any tangy taste at all. It was so creamy and smooth. So I went ahead to add my coconut flakes I made. I have this in my shorts I posted a while ago. And then I'm going to be adding in some raisins, and that's all. Very delicious. Can I say 3 ingredients granola? Yes, not so much of semere going on here, but very delicious and tasty at the same time. So I'm going to pour this in my airtight container and store it aside. So this is how it's looking. All done. So back to our yogurt. It's time to mix up our yogurt parfait. So I grated some fresh coconuts and I'm just going to add that into the mixture. And then I have my diced apples. I think apples is best for parfaits as fruits. I think berries too do, but I just decided to use apple. It's easier to access. I diced in apples, red and green apples. Then I'm adding in my granola. This yogurt, it doesn't even need to be sweetened at all, unless you have too much of a sweet tooth. It doesn't have any sour taste. It was so creamy and smooth. You don't even have to add any sugar at all. This was just perfect. So I mix that in. Then you can just get a little bit of extra sweetness from the raisins, which was perfect for me. So I mix that up and we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Will you be giving this a try? Let me know what you think in the comment section. and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. And I hope to be consistent. So any video you see from me, please bear with me and like, share and subscribe.
Hey guys, the yogurt is ready. And now we're gonna enjoy it. So bye guys.